To combine tables, click the menu button in the top right corner, then choose Combine Tables. Select the tables you'd like to combine. You'll then see two options for table lock. Flexible means the tables can be used separately or together as needed. Strict means the tables must always be used together as one unit. Next, enter the minimum and maximum party size for this combination. This doesn't prevent your host from seating a party outside that range. It simply acts as a guideline. Then, choose where you'd like these combinations to be validated. For online reservations, guest availability is based on which tables are open for their party size. When you're done, click Done. Now we have two combinations, one strict and one flexible. When seating a walk-in, both tables in the combination will be selected automatically. For a flexible combination, you can deselect any table you don't need. For a strict combination, if you deselect one table, all of the tables in that group will be deselected. To edit or delete a table combination, click the combination on the left side of the screen. A single table can belong to multiple combinations. When you seat a party at that table, you'll be given a choice of which combination you'd like to use.